In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your organization in Zoho Invoice. Getting your organization profile right at the start makes every invoice you send look professional and ensures your taxes, dates, and addresses are applied correctly. I'll walk you through the essential fields, explain what each one does, and share a few quick tips to avoid common mistakes. Begin on your Zoho Invoice dashboard. Look for the settings gear icon, usually found in the sidebar or the T corner of the screen. Click it to open the settings area. This is where you'll manage all the behind-the-scenes details that power your invoices. From the settings menu, select Profile or Organization Profile. This page is the identity of your business inside Zoho Invoice, and the information you add here will appear on invoices, estimates, and customer-facing documents. Start by entering your organization name. Use the exact name you want clients to see, either your legal name or your trading name. Keep capitalization and spacing consistent because this is what prints on every invoice and outbound email. Next, choose your industry. Pick the category that best matches what you do. This helps standardize formats and can make reports clearer. If you're not sure, select the closest match. You can update it later without any issues. Now add your organization location. Select the correct country and region and confirm your time zone if that's shown. Location often controls date formats, tax labels, and some default settings, so it's worth getting this right from the start. Enter your organization address, including street, city, state, or province, and postal code. This address appears on invoices and is important for tax calculation and client records. Use your registered business address if you have one, and add suite or unit numbers to avoid delivery or billing confusion. Double-check spelling and postal codes to prevent returned mail. Add your company ID if your business has a registration or company number. This field can be required in certain regions and lends credibility on official documents. Enter it exactly as issued, including any letters or formatting. Enter your tax ID such as VAT, GST, TIN, or EIN depending on your country. This prints on invoices and may be used by your clients for their own records. If you're not registered for tax yet, you can leave it blank and add it later. You can also upload your logo. A clear, square PNG with a transparent background works great. Preview how it looks to ensure it's sharp and not cropped. When everything looks good, click Save. Your details are now live and will automatically populate on your documents. You can revisit this page anytime to make updates as your business grows.